Living a healthy lifestyle is often associated with expensive gym memberships, organic food, and pricey fitness gear. However, it is possible to prioritize your health without breaking the bank. With a little creativity and smart planning, you can maintain a healthy lifestyle on a budget. In this video, we will explore practical tips and strategies to help you make conscious choices for your well-being while being mindful of your finances. Number 1. Plan your meals. Meal planning is an essential aspect of maintaining a healthy lifestyle on a budget. Start by creating a weekly or monthly meal plan and make a shopping list accordingly. Choose simple, whole foods that are nutrient-dense and cost-effective, such as grains, legumes, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Buying in bulk and opting for seasonal produce can also save you money. Additionally, preparing your meals at home instead of eating out can significantly reduce expenses while allowing you to have control over the ingredients and portion sizes. Number 2. Shop smart. When it comes to grocery shopping, a few strategies can help you make healthier choices on a budget. Firstly, compare prices and look for sales or discounts on healthy food items. Consider using coupons or joining loyalty programs at local grocery stores. Additionally, focus on buying generic or store brand products, which are often more affordable than their branded counterparts but offer similar quality. Another tip is to avoid shopping when you're hungry, as it can lead to impulse purchases. Number 3. Embrace seasonal and local produce. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are not only fresher and tastier, but they also tend to be more affordable. Explore your local farmers markets or consider joining a community-supported agriculture program, where you can get a box of fresh produce directly from local farmers at a reasonable price. By incorporating seasonal and local produce into your meals, you support local businesses and enjoy the benefits of fresh, nutritious food without straining your budget. Number 4. Exercise on a budget. Physical activity is a crucial part of a healthy lifestyle, and it doesn't have to cost a fortune. Instead of expensive gym memberships, consider alternative options such as walking, jogging, or cycling in your neighborhood or local parks. These activities are free and can be tailored to your fitness level. Additionally, there are numerous workout videos in this channel and exercise apps available online, many of which are free or offer low-cost subscriptions. You can also find affordable exercise equipment, such as resistance bands or dumbbells, that can be used at home for strength training. Number 5. Utilize free or affordable resources. There are several free or low-cost resources available that can support your healthy lifestyle journey. Public libraries often have a wide selection of books and DVDs related to fitness, nutrition, and overall wellness. You can also find online resources, blogs, and podcasts that offer valuable information and guidance on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Additionally, many communities offer free or low-cost fitness classes, wellness workshops, or recreational activity. Take advantage of these resources and explore what your local community has to offer. Number 6. Prioritize sleep and stress management. Good sleep and effective stress management are vital for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Establishing a consistent sleep routine and creating a relaxing bedtime ritual can improve the quality of your sleep. Avoiding caffeine and electronic devices before bed can also promote better sleep. When it comes to stress management, explore free or low-cost techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or practicing mindfulness. These practices can help reduce stress levels and improve overall well-being without requiring a financial investment. Number 7. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is a fundamental aspect of a healthy lifestyle, and it costs almost nothing. Instead of purchasing expensive bottled water, invest in a reusable water bottle and carry it with you throughout the day. You can refill it from the tap or use water filters to ensure the quality of your drinking water. Drinking water not only helps maintain proper hydration but also aids digestion, supports metabolism, and promotes overall health. Number 8. Find support and accountability. Building a healthy lifestyle is often easier when you have support and accountability. Consider joining online communities or social media groups focused on health and wellness. You can connect with like-minded individuals, share experiences, and learn from each other. Having an accountability partner, whether it's a friend, family member, or colleague, can also be beneficial. By sharing your goals and progress with someone, you can stay motivated, exchange ideas, and celebrate achievements together. Conclusion: maintaining a healthy lifestyle on a budget is entirely achievable with careful planning and smart choices. By incorporating strategies such as meal planning, smart grocery shopping, embracing seasonal produce, exercising on a budget, utilizing free resources, prioritizing sleep and stress management, staying hydrated, and finding support, you can prioritize your health without overspending. Remember that small, consistent steps can lead to significant long-term benefits. With the right mindset and a little creativity, you can create a healthy lifestyle that aligns with your financial goals and promotes your overall well-being. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips and advice. See you in the next video.